Tired of the uncertainty surrounding the tokens in your Phantom wallet? Let's get those assets verified, securing your Solana experience in under 90 seconds. First things first, open your Phantom wallet. You'll immediately see your token list. Notice how some tokens have a clear logo and name, while others might just show a generic symbol. Those with logos and names are typically verified tokens. Phantom pulls this information from trusted token registries, making it easy to recognize legitimate assets. Now, let's look at an unverified token. Notice the missing logo and generic name. This doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but it does warrant extra caution. Tap on the unverified token to view its details. The most important piece of information here is the contract address. Copy this address, then head over to a reliable Solana explorer like Solscan. Paste the contract address into the search bar. Solscan will show you detailed information about the token. Verify the official name, symbol, and other relevant details. Cross-reference this information with the project's official website or social media. Compare the information you find on Solscan with the project's official sources. If everything matches up, you can be more confident about the token's legitimacy, but always proceed with caution. Remember, interacting with unverified tokens carries risks. They could be scams or valueless tokens. Only interact if you've done thorough research and understand the potential consequences. And that's it. You're now equipped to verify tokens in your Phantom wallet. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and happy trading.